Today we're diving into some big news shaking up the world of action cameras and compact video gear. DJI, a name you already know from their industry-defining drones and innovative camera tech, is back with something that's already generating serious buzz, the DJI Osmo Nano. This brand new device just showed up in an official FCC filing, and the details emerging from it are setting high expectations for what could be one of 2025's most exciting tech releases. If you're a content creator, adventure enthusiast, vlogger, or drone pilot, this wearable camera might just be your next favorite gadget. And trust me, it's not just another GoPro alternative. DJI is aiming to carve out a whole new category with this ultra-portable modular powerhouse. So how do we know the Osmo Nano is legit and on the way? Well, on February 20th, 2025, DJI submitted official documentation to the Federal Communications Commission, which is usually one of the final steps before a product can be sold publicly in the US. The filings mention model numbers for two components, the main camera unit and a separate display module, tagged as OD001. That alone tells us something big: modular design. Modular tech has been gaining traction lately, and it looks like DJI is leaning into this trend in a big way. With detachable components, users could clip the tiny camera to a helmet, shirt, drone, or backpack while keeping the display somewhere accessible, like on a wrist strap or a remote handle. This opens up new possibilities for hands-free filming, POV content, and drone-based perspectives. Unlike DJI's earlier Osmo Pocket or Osmo Action models, which were more traditional handheld action cams, the Osmo Nano takes on a completely new form factor. It's wearable, lightweight, and magnetically mountable. Think of it like the DJI mic, but with high-resolution video capabilities. Whether you're biking through rugged terrain, running a marathon, capturing behind-the-scenes filmmaking, or flying a high-speed FPV drone, the Osmo Nano is built to stay out of your way while delivering stable, high-quality footage. The FCC filing also indicates it falls under the category of low-power spread-spectrum transmitters, which means it's designed to transmit data efficiently with minimal battery drain. That makes it a natural fit for wireless pairing with smartphones, DJI controllers, or other DJI camera gear, and maybe even for live streaming. Yes, you heard that right. Real-time video sharing might be part of the equation here, which is a major win for modern content creators who thrive on instant uploads and live interaction. One of the Osmo Nano's standout features is its magnetic mounting system. This is a game changer for anyone who's tired of using clunky straps or third-party attachments to get that perfect shot. Whether you're snowboarding, hiking, or filming from a motorcycle helmet, the Nano clips on securely with minimal setup. No hassle, no fuss. It's clear DJI has been watching how people use action cameras in real-world conditions, and they've created something that focuses on portability and convenience. The Nano in the name is no exaggeration. It's expected to be extremely compact and ultra-lightweight, making it a dream tool for minimalist vloggers and mobile filmmakers. And because of its tiny size, it might even be drone compatible, for use as an auxiliary or POV drone cam, especially for FPV pilots who need gear that won't weigh down their craft. With regulatory filings already submitted, the Osmo Nano is likely just months away from a full release. Based on current timelines and patterns, industry experts suggest an August 2025 launch date, or at the very latest, by Q4 2025. DJI appears to be making a calculated move with this launch, targeting a new category of camera users rather than trying to replace GoPro or Insta360 directly. Instead of competing on just resolution or frame rates, the Osmo Nano aims to be the go-to wearable for creative versatility and integration. From a pricing perspective, the Osmo Nano is expected to fall within the $300–400 USD range. That's an appealing spot. It's accessible to casual users and weekend adventurers, but still robust enough for serious content creators and drone professionals. It slots neatly between DJI's premium products and consumer-level gear, offering value and performance without compromise. Modular camera and display, separate units for flexible setup, wireless connectivity, possibly Wi-Fi 6 or Bluetooth 5.3 for efficient file transfer, magnetic clip system like DJI mic, but for video capture, live streaming support, ideal for vloggers and influencers, built-in stabilization, likely rock-steady 3.0 or better long battery life. thanks to low-power transmission tech drone compatibility, designed to complement FPV or compact. Drone's water resistance, possibly IPX4 or higher for rugged conditions. Voice control, great for hands-free operations. These aren't confirmed yet, but based on DJI's current camera lineup and industry demands, these features seem extremely plausible. Those cameras excel in specific areas. GoPro for stabilization and durability, Insta360 for immersive 360-degree experiences. But DJI isn't trying to beat them at their own game. Instead, the Osmo Nano looks like it's designed to fill a gap in the market. An ultra-portable modular wearable cam with a full DJI ecosystem behind it. For creators already using DJI drones like the Mini 4 Pro or Air 3, and those using DJI audio gear like the DJI Mic 2, this new product could seamlessly slot into your workflow, especially if DJI rolls out native software or app integrations. What's even more exciting is that the Osmo Nano isn't launching in a vacuum. According to DJI leaker Jasper Ellens, this product is part of a larger push that includes the rumored DJI Mic 3 and an Osmo 360 camera. DJI appears to be gearing up to unify its creative gear ecosystem, allowing for synchronized audio, video, and drone footage, all controlled through one streamlined platform. Imagine being able to start a recording on your drone, switch to your wearable Osmo Nano POV camera, and capture studio-quality sound with the DJI Mic 3, all without juggling multiple apps or sync issues. That's not just useful, it's a total game changer for vloggers, YouTubers, and travel filmmakers. Final thoughts. As we look ahead to the second half of 2025, the DJI Osmo Nano could emerge as one of the most innovative and accessible cameras of the year. Instead of relying solely on performance numbers, DJI is betting on experience, flexibility, and seamless integration across its product family.